Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have a Trendmood box. I think if they were to number them, this would be 31 if I'm not mistaken. And I have gotten the last several from them. This one is a takeover box, and I would have purchased it regardless, but this is a favorite of mine. Olaplex has taken over their Trendmood box. This was $49 if you could get it. I do get an email for early access, so I'm grateful for that. And I'll just quickly show you everything that's in here, and that's a little messy. Right here, if I can, a little quick sneak peek there without dumping it all over. And before we get into this, I wanted to share a few more things from Influenster. From the brand, I guess it's Flowery is the brand, the Pro Crystal File Kit. There's 2 files in there. I just have to write a simple review. Who can't use? They're phenomenal for filing your nails. And the other one, which I had shared with you prior, is from Charlotte Tilbury, the Lip Cheat Contour Duo. This is really nice. I had this on yesterday. So there's two tones, and I will just do a quick swatch for you so you can see them. And it is a pencil, but it's very creamy. So this side right here, and that is, if I could just read what that says. I can't. And then the darker side obviously would be the contour. And then this one right here is the darker side. You can see, but there's not like a great difference. But if you, I don't generally contour, but if you contour your lips, it makes them fuller. I mean, I've seen people do it with actual contour and go around, and it does give you the appearance of a fuller lip. So I'm excited for them. I still have to write reviews. And like I said, this was $49, and the last box in this box came via Amazon, which is strange, but obviously they can use Amazon as their shipper. I didn't know they could do that, but I have never seen this on Amazon. So what I'm gonna share right off the bat, which is phenomenal, is the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and number 5 Bond Maintenance, the conditioner. And these are huge sizes, 8.5 fluid ounces. I have both of these, love them. I've been using strictly Olaplex as of late. I don't wash my hair every day, maybe twice a week. It just is healthier that way. You know, you do what you have to do, but I don't put a lot of product in my hair. Not a lot of spray and other products that I would have to wash it. You know, years ago, I did mousse and gels and this and spray, and I don't do that anymore. So I can go multiple days. Yeah, I use, and I also use their dry shampoo, Olaplex. I have, I think, 2 backups to the one I currently have, and another Olaplex spray on damp hair. I think it helps dry your hair faster. I'm a huge fan of Olaplex. And this is the number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, which I did not have, which is exciting. And this moisturize, smooths, adds body and shine. And this stuff is for all hair types. So I think that is in itself wonderful. And then this is the number 3 Repairs and Strengthens all hair types. Right here. And of course I cannot read the directions. And they should all be sealed. Yeah, they're all sealed. I can usually smell through them. So I'm excited for that. And then this I was excited for. This is the number 7 Bonding Oil. I don't think I had this ever. I think I had a sample of it at one point. But I'm excited to try this. This is great for your ends. This is the oldest hair on your head, right? Because it's grown. So this, for me, gets very dry. And this area here, because that's where I concentrate a lot of the heat. Today my hair is very straight, but tonight's a hair wash night. So I didn't want to like overly put a lot of heat on it because it's now been 2 days. So this is day 3. Or day 4, day 3. And usually that's when my hair's more brittle. So I'm excited to try the oil. Boost Shine, strengthens and repairs all hair types. Reduces frizz and flyaways, extends your color and renews your vibrancy. Heat protecting up to 450 degrees. That's a lot. I wouldn't put that much heat on my hair. Shortens drying time, softens and detangles, no residue, color safe, vegan, alcohol free. So I'm excited, and I would probably use this more. I would stay away from my root, which I don't flat iron the root of my hair anyway. Like, I give it lift when I dry. I mean, it's not super flat, but I don't want poof. And I don't flat iron that. Like, I start flat ironing like midway. It's just, you know, I know some people get all the way up in there. I just do not do that. So I was super excited for this box. I don't know if any of you got it, but definitely worth $49. The shampoo and conditioner alone are pay for the box. I mean, some of these other products are expensive too. I will have to look up the prices on the other. I know what the prices of the shampoo, and these are big. They're not tiny, and you need the smallest amount. I don't, you know, squeeze and have a handful. You know, you can just do like I might do for my hair length like a little bit more, like maybe like a nickel size amount of shampoo. Conditioner, the same thing. I don't use a ton. I just, it's going down the drain if you do. So I'm super excited for all these products. My shampoo conditioner will be backups when I'm finished with the ones that I have, but I'm excited for these others, which I don't have. And I appreciate all you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.